Welcome! In this video, you'll learn step by step how to hide your last seen on Telegram, so you can stay online privately without anyone knowing when you were last active. Whether you value your privacy or just want a little more control over who sees your activity, this quick guide will help you do exactly that with the latest Telegram update. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Once it's open, look at the top left corner of your screen. You'll see either the menu icon, those three little lines, or your profile icon. If you're on iPhone, tap on it to open the main menu. Next, look for settings in the menu and tap on it. You'll be taken to a new screen filled with different options, but the section we're interested in is called Privacy and Security. Go ahead and select that. This is where Telegram stores all your privacy-related settings. Now, scroll down a little until you find the option labeled Last Seen and Online Tap. That to open your visibility preferences. Here's where you can decide who gets to see when you were last active. You'll see several choices, but if you want complete privacy, select Nobody. Once you do that, Telegram will automatically hide your last seen time from everyone. That means no one can check when you were last online, giving you full control over your visibility. And if you're wondering about fairness, Telegram handles it cleverly. When you hide your last seen from others, you'll also stop seeing theirs. It keeps things balanced and private for both sides. After you've chosen Nobody, simply exit the settings, and that's it. Your last seen and online status are now hidden. You can still chat, send messages, and use Telegram normally without anyone tracking your activity. Take a moment to test it out by asking a friend if they can see your status. If they can't, you've done everything right. It's that easy. Thanks for watching.